These are the Oakley Jupiter LX frames, and I will show you how to take out and reinstall the lenses. So to take out the lens, you're going to take the top side of the frame with one hand and the corresponding side of the lens with the other, and you're going to pull the top frame while pushing down with the lens. Again, you pull on the top part and push, and the lens should pop out. Now, to reinstall the lenses, you're going to take this part of the lens and slide it into the corresponding grooves. Once you are sure that it's snug, you are going to take your thumb and your two fingers and push in opposite directions so that it slides in, and then you push down the exposed part. Make sure you hear the click. That's how you know it's secure. So you take this part of the lens into this part of the frame. And once you know it's secure, you just push down and up with these fingers on the opposite side. Secure and then push. And you should hear the click.